Hello, good morning. Okay, so for today, we are going to discuss about the slope-intercept form and how we are going to find slope. So we have here the slope-intercept form. We have y is equals to mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is the y-intercept. Okay? So last time we have discussed already about how to find the slope given 2 points. So we have the formula for finding slope given the 2 points. We have m is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over or divide by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, for example here, we have the given ordered pairs. We have 4, 4, and the second set of ordered pairs we have 1 and 6. What is the slope of these ordered pairs? Okay, to solve for the slope, we are going to use the formula for slope or m. We have m is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So in this case, so we can assign any of these pairs. We can have this one as 4 as x sub 1. This will be y sub 1, x sub 2, the 1, and y sub 2, we have 6. So by just substituting to our formula, we can find that m, so our y sub 2 here we have 6. The given are 4, 4. So the first order pairs we have 4, that would be our x sub 1. The second would be 4, that would be our y sub 1. And the second pair we have 1, that would be our x sub 2. And 6, that would be our y sub 2. By substitution, so we can have, so y sub 2 is 6 minus y sub 1, which is 4, divided by x sub 2, we have 1, minus x sub 1, we have 4. So therefore, 6 minus 4, this is 2. And 1 minus 4 is negative 3. So therefore, our slope here is negative 2 over 3. Okay? Okay, if we are going to create, find the equation of the line here, so we already have our slope. We have negative 2 over 3. So we need to find now what would be our b or the y-intercept. Okay? To solve for b, so we can use any of this point. We have 4, 4 or 1, 6. So the equation of or the slope-intercept form would be y is equals to mx plus b. So we know already our m or slope. We have negative 2/3 x. So our equation now would be y equals negative 2/3 x plus b. Okay, so we are going to use here 4, 4. Okay, so 4 for our x, so we just need to substitute. X is 4 and y is also 4. So y, so we just replace this as 4. We have negative 2/3 times 4 plus b. Okay, so we have here 4 times negative 2/3. This is negative 8 over 3 plus b. On the other side, we have y, which is 4. So we are solving for b now. So we have negative 8 over 3. We just add 8 over 3. Then add over 3 on the other side. This will be cancelled already. So therefore our b is equals to 4 plus 8 over 3. Okay? How we are going to add 4 to 8 over 3? So we just make this 4 as an equivalent fraction that has a denominator of 3 so that it would be easy. So this is equal to, is it 4 equal to 12 over 3? 12 over 3 is same as 4. 12 over 3 plus 8 over 3, so that would be 12 plus 8, you have 20 over 3. So therefore our b here is 20 over 3. So our equation of the line now would be y is equals to, our slope we have negative 2 over 3, 2/3 x plus 20 over 3. That would be our equation. Next, number 2. So we have here the order pair 6, negative 6. We also have 5 and 4. To solve for the slope, we need to substitute on the formula y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Okay, so we can assign here. So 6 would be our x sub 1. Negative 6, we have y sub 1. 5, we have x sub 2. Then 4 would be our y sub 2. Then by solving, we can have y sub 2 with it. Be 4 minus our y sub 1 is negative 6. Divide by, okay, x sub 2 is 5. Minus x sub 1 is 6. So we have here 4 minus negative 6. So that would become 4 plus 6. Or that is 10. Divide by 5 minus 6. That's negative 1. So our slope here is 10 divided by negative 1, or that is negative 10. Okay? Using the slope-intercept form, so we can say that we have our equation y is equals to negative 10x plus b. Okay, so we need to identify now what would be our b. So we can use any of these points, 6 and negative 6, or it can be 5, 4. Let's say we are going to use this pair, 5 and 4. 5 for x and 4 for y. So let's solve for b. So y is equals to 10x, since our slope is negative 10, negative 10x plus b. So we are using 5 for x and 4 for y. Okay, so we have y is 4 equals negative 10 multiplied by x, we have 5 plus b. Okay, negative 10 times 5, this would be negative 50 plus b. So we have 4 on the other side. To solve for b, so we add 50 on both sides. Okay, so this would be cancelled already. So therefore b is equals to 54. 50 plus 4. So our equation here would be y is equals to negative 10x plus 54. Okay, that's how we are going to solve for the slope and identify the equation of the line. Okay, what if here we already have our slope and the y-intercept. So let us write how we're going to write this into an equation. Example, we have here m, or our slope is 3, and the y-intercept is at 0, 5. Okay? So the slope-intercept form, we have y is equals to mx plus b. So we just copy. Y is equals to mx. Our m here is already identified. We have 3. So this would be 3x plus. Our b is given that the y-intercept is at 0.05. So we have x is 0 and y is 5. So if x is 0, 3 times x is 0, then y would be 5. So our equation here would be just y equals 3x plus 5. That's easy. If we have already our y-intercept at 0.05. Next, we have here m is equals to -4 and y-intercept is at 0.4 or 0.04. So just, okay, so we have y is equals to 4x, -4x plus 4. That would be our equation. Okay, next, what if we are going to write an equation in slope-intercept form, then we find the slope and the y-intercept. So this time we are given an equation, okay, wherein it's not on the slope-intercept form. Again, the slope-intercept form is y is equals to mx plus b. So we have here given 4x plus y equals 4. So to solve for the equation or transform this one into slope-intercept form, so we are going to eliminate here 4x. We have 4x, so we should subtract 4x here on the left side. And we will also subtract 4x on the other side. 4x minus 4x will be cancelled already. So we will have here y is equals to -4x plus 4. Okay? It's already on a slope-intercept form. Y is equals to mx, where m here is equals to -4, and our b or y-intercept is 4. Okay? And that's all.